Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just going on to XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So on the macro at the moment, on the daily, I'm going to zoom in on the hourly in a moment because I did post a trade set up yesterday for the CoinsKid crew in the Discord right there. On the daily, what we've done, we've come up into this God candle breakout, haven't we? If you take a look, we've got this huge horizontal just here, and then we broke down. And what we've done on this particular level here, this is why I paid myself yesterday. I did relay this to you in the video. We've come up and we've back tested this God candle breakdown. Okay, so basically this support is now being confirmed as a resistance because this support here has been lost in this God candle and eventually come back up into it. So this is always a good area to pay yourself in any longs or shorts or whatever. If you're looking for a short here, look at this. So you've got your big major drop here. So the clue was in the charts because what we did here, if you take a look, it's a huge ascending triangle. We've broken out just there and then eventually come all the way back down to it. So that was a target, a minimal target I was giving you way back when in the summer when everyone was getting super bullish at that point. I said to you, I think XRP will come in for a big ABC at that point, and it did. It did fall a little bit deeper than I did anticipate, but at least we got some bids filled on that neckline. When people was really bullish, looking for a major move to the upside, I was actually bearish, okay? And because I'm just trying to ride the waves with you, because what we've got here from this bottom in January of 2023 was a big move into the 1618, and that was a minimal target. And this is an area where I said to you, I'm going to pay myself on any longs or your spot positions, whatever, look for the swing. And I did exactly that. So from here we got the 1 2 3 4 5, the flag coming back, then we got another 1 2 3 4 5, then again we've got a sideways correction. Look at that. So in the C wave we've got a 1 2 3 4 5, then we've got another 1 2 3 4 5, and then the C wave we were flagging. And I said to you at this point, once we break this resistance here, this will come up into the 1618. It did exactly that. But then everyone's going to get super bullish, but I expect a retracement into at least this level of resistance to come back into it to back test. We fell under it, we created an ascending triangle just there, and again I was bullish at this point, not bearish, because of the God candle back test. This support just there lost, this support just there lost. So I said to you, I think we'll create a sideways correction, basically an ascending triangle, and eventually come back up to fill these God candle breakouts. Okay, and we did exactly that. So we've been riding waves like an absolute boss. But over the Christmas period, obviously I've been away, so I did try and update you as best I can. We've got this sideways compression pattern, we broke down, and right now we've had a retracement into this God candle back test. Okay, so I don't necessarily see any God candle back test below other than one. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly where I see it. It's just there. Okay, so if we do start to break down, this would be a very strong area of interest for me to put some bids in. If this is indeed an A, a B, and a C wave, and we do drop, I think that XRP could come down to around about 0.3870. So where are the clues? Okay, what's the clue in the chart right now for XRP to do that? So basically, I think if XRP loses 0.5006, I will absolutely entertain that. Okay, because at that point you're losing this structure of high-low structure basically, and we start to come down and lose this. I think we're going to come down to 0.3870. It really is that simple. I know it sounds really bearish, but what it could be is simple: 1 2 3 4 5, and this is an ABC zigzag correction, comes back down and goes again. So if we drop the top, the fibs from the top to the bottom like this, we can clearly see that that particular level is roughly where the 786 fib retracement is. So there's no guarantees that it's going to do that, but that's if it breaks down. Okay, if we do start to see XRP losing 0.50006, like I said to you, it's falling below the thick yellow line, which is a 20-week EMA, and at that point I've got to project to the downside. So I'm trying to find a target and a reason why it would come down there, and I think what we've got is a little God candle just there that we broke out and we've not necessarily come back to it. Okay, so that would be on my radar for a buyback zone if we do start to break down. Okay, so I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, CoinsKid saying that XRP is going to 0.3859, sell it all, run away and things like that. No, it's there, the opportunity is there, but it's not absolute. Okay, and nor is it absolute that it's going to go up. I think if we start to break down and we do start to close below key structure and take out 0.5006, then yeah, I'll sell my XRP and I'll just buy back down here. Okay, a lot of people say I'm mad, but I'm just respecting the data and the structure. So the bullish scenario in the short term is the fact that this is a flag basically, and what we've got here is a 1 ABC 2, this is a 3, this is an irregular 4 that's coming back. So again, a leading diagonal just like this was 1 2 3, regular 4 5. Okay, this could be the same thing where we've got a 1 ABC 2 3, a regular 4, and right now we're gearing up for a monumental move, a big wave 5 like that was. Okay, and we've got some kind of leading diagonal again, and this is a scenario I've been looking at because this is exactly what we did in 2021. Okay, and it would just simply be an A, a B, a C wave correction before a big ABC zigzag coming back down, and we've looked at that many times, some kind of big sideways ABCDE correction that's been occurring since the 2018 top in January, and I've gone through this multiple times with you. Okay, so at the minute I can't get too bearish until we lose 0.50006. If we lose that, then I think, we've got to project and buy back at 0.3859. Now, what am I looking at? So basically, I think that this could actually be a flag. The bullish case is that this is a flag, basically, just like these big flags that we've been trading in 2023. This is coming back, and I think the clue to a big major move to the upside will be breaking that red line. So if we start to take out that red line anytime soon for XRP, close above that red line, I will go long. I will put my stop loss on the previous pivot low. I'll show you my trade, everything like that, and I'll just ride it up to 131, and it's an area of interest for me to take some profit in the potential big sideways ABCDE, the 5-wave correction, which I've gone through with you so many times. So if you take a look at this, we've got this beautiful impulsive move here. Look at that thrust up. So we're overlapping, we're zigzagging back. So I'm leaning a little bit more towards the fact that I don't think we're going to come down to there, but obviously I can't take it off the table. It's a possibility, but I don't think it is likely until we start seeing more data in the chart. So I think we've bolted, we've got a flag coming back, and right now we're looking to continue. Just like we bolted there, flag coming back, we bolted, we come up here, flag coming back, and we bolted. I'm going to remain cautiously bullish here for XRP. That I think that the clue in the charts, the earliest warning shot to a big move to the upside will be taking out this red line. Okay, so let's be patient. Like I've always said to you, patience is key of XRP. If we break this red line, super bullish statement, I think, from XRP, the earliest warning shot that I can find for you. But if we start to break down below this pivot low, then I think it's a bearish statement from XRP, and I will most definitely be looking to flip and then put bids in down here on this potential God candle breakout. Just there, you see this where we broke out just there, that flag. Eventually, I'll put some bids on there, and that would indicate to me that this has been a potential impulsive wave 1, a leading diagonal. This has been an A wave, this has been a B wave, and this is a C wave coming back like this. Okay, so, and I will get some bids filled on 0.3859, which is a 786 pip retracement of a potential wave 1 before an explosive third wave. What do I think is likely? People always say that to me. Obviously, it's technical analysis, anything can happen, but the fact is, I think that sometimes I like to see price structure, basically, and I think price structure gives us clues. So I think the overlapping waves here are very similar to the overlapping corrective waves there and the overlapping corrective waves here. So I'm expecting something like this, to be honest with you. But just because I expect it doesn't mean it'll happen. But, if we start to see the breakout of the red line here for XRP, then, we've got to respect the data and at that point go long. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye-bye.